Be honest. Are you sure you're using these English words correctly? Because even advanced English learners get these wrong every single day. Let's fix 10 common English mistakes right now. Word 1. Actually, wrong use. I am actually a student. Correct use. I thought it was today, but it's actually tomorrow. Explanation. Actually is used to correct information, not just to sound smart. Word 2. Very. Wrong use. I am very tired, very hungry, very sad. Better use. I'm exhausted. I'm starving. I'm miserable. Tip. Native speakers avoid overusing very. Use strong words instead. Word 3. Advice. Wrong use. He gave me an advice. Correct use. He gave me some advice. Explanation. Advice is uncountable. No advice, no advices. Word 4. Funny. Wrong use. My teacher is very funny. When you mean serious or strange. Correct use. That joke was funny. Tip. Funny usually means something that makes you laugh, not strange. Word 5. Confident. Wrong use. I am confident that I will come at 5 p.m. Correct use. I'm sure I'll come at 5 p.m. Explanation. Confident is used for people, not plans or timings. Word 6. Fast. Wrong use. He speaks very fastly. Correct use. He speaks very fast. Rule. There is no word called fastly in English. Word 7. Open. Wrong use. The light is open. Correct use. The light is on. Explanation. Use on or off for electrical things, not open or close. Word 8. Discuss. Wrong use. Let's discuss about the problem. Correct use. Let's discuss the problem. Rule. Discuss does not need about. Word 9. Late. Wrong use. I came late 10 minutes. Correct use. I was 10 minutes late. Tip. Use be late, not come late. Word 10. Thanks God. Wrong use. Thanks God I passed the exam. Correct use. Thank God I passed the exam. Explanation. The correct phrase is thank God, not thanks God. So, how many words were you using wrong? Don't worry. Mistakes mean you're learning. Save this video. Practice these corrections, and your English will sound clean, confident, and natural. Like, subscribe, and follow for more English you actually need.